I think osteopathic treatment is very special, and put simply, we focus on discerning what are the primary restrictions, and we work with all the systems and tissues of the body to understand how they're all interrelated and affect one another. We approach the body as a whole and treat the main causes of dysfunction to decrease pain and regain normal function and mechanics.
I'm Kara. I'm an osteopathic manual practitioner at the Womb, Burlington and Milton. As an osteopath here at the Womb, we treat babies, moms, dads, kids, everybody. Our role here really is to coaching the body to heal itself and to find its ideal alignment. And we do this through mobilization techniques, muscle energy techniques, so just really gentle touch, gentle encouragement of joints and muscles and soft tissue. So at the Womb, we really treat the whole family. So often we'll see moms come in because they're pregnant and perhaps uncomfortable, and then we'll also see their baby when the baby arrives. We'll see postpartum moms, we'll see their spouses and their partners, and then we'll see the whole family. So from babies to adulthood, we're here for everyone.